Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Knowledge Base, and I'm here to give you that very knowledge that you need. And in this case, we're looking at how best to make money using TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an AI tool that helps our YouTube channels grow and skyrocket. If you want to make your YouTube channels perfectly, you can as well have it with you. So here in this case, this is where you connect. Go to your browser and put in tubebuddy.com, and you will land. Of course, you will connect with your Gmail account that is connected to your YouTube channel. And in this case, I've already connected my knowledge base here. So what you need to do, you just add a channel here. When you say add a channel, they will definitely ask you which kind of channel that you want to add, and they will ask you to log in right there. It's very easy, it's simple, and it takes less than a minute to add your YouTube channel right here. Now, in this case, there's so many things we can do with the YouTube channel. We can use it to promote our YouTube channels, and in this case here you can launch the extension. When you say launch extension, means that your browser will have the extension of TubeBuddy, and whatever you'll be doing under YouTube channel, you'll be able to have the extension right. Now in this case, we're looking at integrations, and we can integrate. You can do anything that you'd want to integrate with your Facebook pages, with your whatever you want. Everything you need, you can easily integrate. So let's talk about the Affiliate Center. And in the Affiliate Center, we're looking at the dashboard, okay? If you look at the dashboard, this is where the dashboard comes in, okay? In the affiliate, you'll have to request for the affiliate, and you can see that it is 30% commission for whoever uses the affiliate. And then you'll be able to also you'll be able to pick your link here, and then you'll have the advanced, where you can download all the detailed data right from here for how much you're getting. Then in this case, you're able to also accept the terms and conditions right here. The terms are, you get 30% of every subscription payment. Payments are made on the first day of every month, and all payments are made via PayPal. And the minimum payout is $10 per month for standard affiliates, and no minimum for VIP and super affiliates. Subscriptions are eligible for pay up 30 days after the payment has been made. Terms subject to change. You must comply with TubeBuddy affiliates program of service. So in this case, guys, you can be able to make some great and good money here. And I believe that using this affiliate, it's very simple, it's very easy to connect, and these guys do not have much they request for as long as you have an email for your PayPal, and then whoever subscribes, you'll be able to get some good money. So guys, this is TubeBuddy, and I am sure that you are able to get to this. Get your affiliate, start making money, and make sure that you tell people about TubeBuddy. Guess what, guys? You can have a small subscription of about $19. I mean $4.5. Actually, it's $4.5 per month for you to connect with your YouTube channel, connect with your Facebook, connect with your Twitter, and whatever you want to connect it with. So guys, thank you so much. I think my internet is a little bit low. Let's get to get back. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget that, please share this video if it is good for your friends, for your sister, for your brother. I believe they will need to use it for whatever they are doing, most especially in improvement of their licenses or YouTube, and earn more money. Of course, when you have an engine that helps you grow your YouTube channel, which is TubeBuddy, you are able to make money also using the affiliate link. And guys, guess what? The link I'm putting in my bio, just go back in the subscription, you're getting the link. Click on the link that I've dropped there, and you'll be able to start also joining your YouTube channel with TubeBuddy, and you will immensely grow your YouTube channel with much more ease. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video as I show you something else on what to do with your YouTube channel. Thank you.